Hello there, my
Hello.
name's David and you are?
Jackson.
Jackson, and he's my little helper for today, aren't you?
Yeah.
As you've probably already seen, I've ordered some boxes from My Geek Box.
Yes.
And we're going to open our second one today. It's slightly larger than yesterday's, isn't it?
And we got a photo.
Yeah, we've got lots of photos behind us. Shall we concentrate on the box then today, Jackson?
Yes.
Okay, so hopefully this one will be really interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open it.
The reason why I'm doing these unboxings because we've got no theme parks to go to, so we can't talk about any rides, can we? No. So we're going to have a look inside what we've got in this box. Wow, what have we got here? We've got some bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, yay! Okay, thank you. Right, so the first thing we've got in here, we have a Harry Potter vinyl figure. There's the little characters on the back there. There's a mystery mini. What we'll do, if we're opening these on another little video, okay? So if we put that on the table, shall we see what else we've got in here?
Yeah.
See, these are great if you love Harry Potter. It seems to be quite Harry Potter mad, don't they? Oh, this is amazing. This is for me. Here we go. Fights the dead, fear the living, The Walking Dead. Bottle opener. Wow. I love a bit of Walking Dead. Do you love a bit of Walking Dead?
Yeah.
Well, I like the scare mazes they have at Thorpe Park.
Yeah. I like them.
I've never really watched them. But here we go. Here comes number 2. We have a Ghostbusters postcard. Wow, that's cool, isn't it?
And hold it.
Wow. That's quite old. Well, I think we'll keep it in the plastic coating because I think it might be a collector's item. You can hold on to that. Put it nicely on the table. And last but not least,
Got book.
I've got a comic by the looks of it. Coffin Hill. Looks quite scary. I'm going to have a quick flick. Oh, it's the dark horror in Massachusetts works is about to scare us, diving head first in an all new medium of Fort Kittredge. Yes, Jackson. No. Oh no, this is a bit gory. I don't think we can show the children at home, and it looks like an adult's comic. Not rude like that. It's just a bit gory. Yes, a bit scary looking. I'll just give you a quick peek at that page there. There you go. See,
Don't show it to
quite
me.
dark looking. There you go. So,
You're not boxing.
here we go. So we've got some collector's items in this one. This is quite cool, isn't it?
We do boxing in a minute.
Yeah, we're doing another one tomorrow. So this is what we've got here. We've got a lovely comic, a postcard,
David.
Walking Dead video, a bottle opener, and a Harry Potter vinyl figure. Do you like this, Jackson?
Yeah.
You going to give it a thumbs up?
Yeah. We do one.
Do you like this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and
Right.
subscribe. And we're going to say goodbye to the boys and girls.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.